Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do now is to open more settings, and we can do it just by tapping on this icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap. As you can see here, we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And in this device, we've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option which you'd like to use, and And as you can see here, the timer icon changed. It is not crossed out. We've got the 10 seconds inside. So now we can go back to the camera itself. Here we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer applied. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And if you wish to turn off the timer, you have to just repeat the steps. So go to the options here, tap on the timer, and tap on this crossed out icon, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.